Hindi ko alam.
Tomorrow. Hi guys and welcome to BusyBee in Taiwan. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it's so good to be back. I'm so sorry it's been a while, but yeah, a lot happened last December. There were so many events. Work. So last December 24, sadly, my fiance's grandmother died. She's like the grandmother that I never had. She's super maasikaso. She's super nice. When she was with us, I just really appreciate that she cooks for us, and her cooking, it's really good. Like, kasi mga Kapampangan, magagaling talaga sila magluto. Include her in your prayers. For our trip to Taiwan, I just really want to share it with you guys. Yeah, so our trip to Taiwan happened for like two days. Our trip to Taiwan was an overnight trip. Why? Because I wasn't able to check the time. I thought I was booking 4 p.m. but the night before we checked again the details, and then we saw that it was 4 a.m. Uh-oh. Yeah, so but it's okay. We booked it like a week before the trip. We didn't really plan because we told ourselves that we'll be saving, but it was like our last hurrah before the wedding, and it was a free flight because we got it from Cebu Pack, because our trip to Busan last year got cancelled, so we just grabbed it and did not think about it. Hope you'll enjoy it. So cute. Okay guys, beware. They have an express train and they have the regular one, and there's a stop sa bawat station. Taiwan ba o Japan? Sarap. Ano to?
Nahanap ko yung puntahan natin.
Hello, we're here. So, nag-Airbnb kami and... Woo! Cutie! Ta-da! Sobrang cute. Aww. It's small lang, but kaya ako siya napili kasi sobrang cute ng mga gamit nila dito. So, ito na lang yung view kasi hindi kami makaakyat dahil umuulan.
This one?
当局杀害成千上万的女囚犯，并把他们的器官丢弃。
Changi kayo din.
受害者报警。
Kuya, anong hanap nyo? Thinking nga talaga. The Red House. What day kitchen? We're here at what day? We're on our way to Bokpilyao Historical Block. So, dito yung mga historical buildings sa Taipei. Yan. Sana mag-shoot dito. Every Monday?
Yes.
Today's Tuesday. This is Lunshang Temple. Lunshang Temple.
35个为准。明年。
Near the Longshan Temple, meron silang underground shopping place dito. Hi guys, and welcome to Washan 1914 Creative Park. Tada! Ang cute ng mga stores. So, gusto lang namin mag-relax dito, tambay-tambay lang and everything. Oh my gosh, Wonderland. Have your own workplace if you want to create something like this and that and those. Tan 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 tan. So, yan po yun. Amazing. I cannot. Sobrang cute. Oh my gosh, ang hirap naman ito. Paano to? Ancient lock game. Oh, natanggal mo na. Ano siya? Oh my gosh, ang cool. Sigay. Tan 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 taran tan tan. Bye. Wooden Tetris. OMG. Ang liit. Small. Large. Small. Large. Medium. Ito. 175. Pwede ka din gumawa on your own. Hello! We're on our way to
Elephant Mountain.
very good. Elephant Mountain. So later, pakita namin sa inyo kung kamusta sa taas, kung baka mas sobrang malamig pa doon. Kanina nag-ride kami ng bus, medyo nahirapan lang kami kasi walang train station yung bus. Tsaka number lang yung pagbabasihan. Eh, yung sasakyan namin na bus ay nagbago na siya ng number. So, hala. So, yan. Nagtanong-tanong lang naman kami. Medyo mahirap lang din kasi hindi lahat or hindi masyadong marunong mag-English yung mga tao. So, medyo difficult. Senyas-senyas lang ganyan. But, we're good. Nandito naman na kami. Walking lang. OMG, saglit pa lang kami naglalakad paakyat. Pagod na pagod na. Yay, dito na kami. Some more paakyat. Going up somewhere there.
Let's go.
OMG. Hang on. Okay, dito na po kami. Hindi ako pagsalita.
This one at least.
OMG, akala ko nandito na po kami. I'm so sorry. Yung tour guide ko kasi mali yung sinabi niya. So, right now, nandito pa lang kami sa... Ay, baliktad pala. Front cam kasi. Okay, so right now, nasa photographer's deck pa lang kami. And pupunta kami sa BusyBee and photo shooting deck. At least, sana umabot kami. Aja! Yeah! BusyBee. BusyBee? Lamig dito.
Lamig. Ito yan, di ba?
Okay, so ito na ang ice floor ride.
तुम क्या है